Hi guys, this is Perry Details Retail. Today I'm working on my 93 GMC Sierra extended cab 4x4 K1500. I have a bad blower fan in it, so I have the new fan right here. It's been in my truck for a year now. The reason why I haven't put it in because it kind of worked yet, and it's very difficult to get at, so that was the big holdup. If it was easy, I would have had it put in a long time ago, but since it was in a tough location, it was one of those things you don't want to do until you have to. Well, now it's have to because it's dead. When it's in the dash, it's dead. I got the dash pad or glove box removed. I got to disconnect the CPU. So I just disconnected the battery because I just didn't want anything to happen, just in case. You know, being a 93, she's a classic now. So I don't know how easy it'd be to get one of these computers. And you just pull this out just like that. Now I gotta disconnect the harness because I gotta get at the bolt that's underneath the bracket that holds that up to get the cover off the fan. So I'm not going to record that because there's going to be a lot of colorful metaphors being thrown out around, I'm pretty sure, and we don't want that on YouTube, but I'll show you once I get it done off camera. So all right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hopefully it's not too long trying to get that out of there. All right guys, that is not one of the easiest things to do. They definitely didn't design this for mechanic friendly. So, okay, right there, you can see that little post. There's a screw there. There's another screw there on the other post. I didn't get that one out, but I was able to pull the tray off that the CPU sat on. Right on the top, there's two screws up there. They're sunk in. The fan comes out of there like crap. Gets hung up on the dash. Going back in is going to be even nicer, I'm sure. So there's where I'm at right now, and that was about an hour to get that out. So we'll see how it goes back in. I gotta scuffed up where the ground goes on the new one, because this is not painted on the old one. So I did that so I can move the ground over. So that's another thing you gotta keep in mind. You could probably put it on and it might work, but as much as this is a pain in the butt to do, you want to make sure it's going to work. So I scratched it up. So okay, I'll see you in a little bit. Hopefully I'll have it together, and hopefully in a short time, but it's probably not likely. All right, see you in a little bit, guys. Well guys, I got the motor in. It's in there. Wasn't very easy. It was just like it was coming out. So here's my dilemma. The fan motor cover, are we gonna put that back on? I don't know. I might alter it. Just slip it up in there, just so it slips up in there. Because that is a real pain in the butt. They definitely did not make that easy to work on. So yeah, the next thing is get that up if I decide to put it up. Leave a comment. What do you think? Should we leave it on, or put it on, or leave it off? Or should we modify so it just barely hangs in there just to cover up so it still has a somewhat of a stock appearance? Because it's I can see why they charge over 500 bucks for this job, because it sucks. It really does. So okay, I'll let you know in a minute. Comment, see what we do. All right guys, got it all back together. All right, got the glove box back in. The hard part was getting the fan back in. Wasn't that, I mean, it wasn't terrible, but I could see why people don't like to do that job. I mean, all my speeds are back, my fan works. I disconnected the blend door so I won't get that tapping sound. When you start the truck up, you get a tapping, a tick 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 tick, then it shut off. And when you shut the truck down, you get a tapping, tick 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 tick. So I just unplugged the blend door. Hopefully you can live without it, because the new blend door is like $110 and it's almost impossible to get at underneath the dash. So we're just gonna try to live without it if we can. Alright guys, so if you liked the video, please subscribe. There'll be more content coming up. We're gonna start working on the Bobcats. Hopefully we'll have a new person join the channel. We're kind of excited about that. We're waiting to find out if that comes true or not. Alright, so we'll see you in the next one. Take care guys. Have a great day. Bye and be safe.